Okay, let's talk about that video by video grind. What if, instead, you could just clone the success formula of a channel that's already making money, and then generate your own videos automatically? Well, I'm about to show you how to do exactly that. We're talking scripts, voiceovers, visuals, the whole package, all generated for you in minutes using a totally free Google AI tool. Does this sound a little too familiar? The endless cycle of brainstorming, scripting, recording, editing. I mean, it is a surefire recipe for burnout. But what if you could have the script, the voiceover, and the visuals for your next video just done in a few minutes, and all based on a formula that you already know works?
And let's be super clear here. We are not cloning their content. Nope, we're cloning their formula, their strategy. We're going to reverse engineer what makes them tick, what makes them successful, and then build our very own automated content pipeline. And we're going to do it with a free tool that, honestly, most creators don't even know is out there.
So here's our game plan. We'll start with the promise of automation. Then I'll walk you through step by step how to set things up, reverse engineer a channel, create the videos, and then add that final polish. This is all about building a system to work smarter, not harder.
First up, the automation promise. Let's dig into why so many successful channels aren't about crazy expensive cameras or slick editing. It is all, and I mean all, about the formula behind the content. Just look at this. This is a real, faceless channel that's only 4 months old. It's using simple AI-generated videos and is already pulling in close to $3,000 a month. See? This isn't about having a huge budget. It's absolute proof that a strong, repeatable content formula is the real key to success. So what's this magic tool that unlocks all of this? It's a free AI from Google called Notebook LM. The best way to think of it is like a personal research assistant. You can feed it information, in our case, a bunch of YouTube videos, and it'll analyze and chat with you about everything it finds. If you've never even heard of it, don't worry about it. I'm going to walk you through every single step. All right, let's get our hands dirty with the practical steps. First up, the setup. Look, before we can analyze a formula, we obviously need some data. So I'm going to show you how to find a channel to model and then scoop up all the links from their most successful videos in seconds, not hours. This little setup right here is going to save you a massive amount of time. Just search for the Grab-It Chrome extension and add it to Chrome. Pin it to your toolbar so it's easy to find. Then you'll open its settings and click Add New Action. Just set the mouse to left-click, the modifier to Alt, and the action to copy URLs to clipboard. Hit Save, and that's it. You set it up once, and you can use it forever. And check out how easy this is to actually use. You just go to the YouTube channel you want to model, hold down the Alt key, left-click, and drag a box around their videos. And that's it. Every single link inside that box is instantly copied to your clipboard. You'll want to grab the links for about 10 to 15 of their most popular videos to get a really good data set. Okay, we've got our data. Now this is where the real fun begins. In step 2, we're going to feed all these links to our AI assistant and have it literally extract the channel's entire winning formula. So you're going to head over to notebooklm.google.com, create a new notebook, think of this as your project workspace. Then, over on the left, click Add Source, choose Website, and just paste in all those video links you copied. Notebook LM will immediately start reading and analyzing every single one of those videos for you. Now for the magic trick. Down in the chat box at the bottom, you're going to use this exact prompt. This basically tells the AI to put on its YouTube strategist hat and give you a complete blueprint of the channel's entire formula. And this is what you get back, a full, detailed breakdown. It'll tell you the target audience, the best topics, the tone and energy, how they hook you in the first few seconds, the typical script structure, I mean everything. This is literally the channel's playbook, decoded and handed to you by an AI. So what do you do with this incredible playbook? It's simple. You just follow up with this prompt. Ask it to generate 10 brand new video ideas that are based on the formula it just figured out. These aren't just random ideas, right? They are tailor-made for a strategy that you already know gets views. All right, now for what is honestly the most powerful part of this entire system, automated creation. We are about to go from a single, proven idea to a complete, full-length YouTube script and then turn that into a finished video. Now here's a little pro tip just to stay organized and work way more efficiently. You're going to want to batch your content. So for each of those 10 video ideas, just create a brand new separate notebook in Notebook LM. And make sure to give it the title of the video. It'll keep everything clean and so much easier to find later. Now this next step is absolutely key. You have to go back to your main notebook, the one with all the original video links, and use this prompt. Tell it to generate a full script for one of your new video titles. By doing it this way, it uses those original successful videos as a model for the script's structure, its pacing, and its tone. Just remember, these AI scripts are a fantastic starting point, but you'll always want to give them a quick human review to add your own personal touch.
Okay, once you've got your script, it's time to actually make the video. Now, you will need a separate tool for this part, since NotebookLM only handles the text. A fantastic free option is Canva's video editor. You can use their text-to-voice features for the narration and find some simple whiteboard-style graphics. The settings you see on the screen are a great guide. An explainer style is perfect for this kind of how-to content, and a clean whiteboard visual style keeps your viewers really focused on the information.
So our video is basically ready to go, but now we need to make sure that people are actually going to click on it. And that brings us to the crucial final polish, optimizing your title and your thumbnail. Just head back into your video-specific notebook and use this prompt to generate 10 really strong title options. Pick the one that feels the most powerful, the one that would make you stop scrolling. Then, just follow that up by asking it to write a full YouTube description. And just like that, all your text assets are completely done.
For the thumbnail, here's a super simple but incredibly effective formula you can use in Canva. Just find a simple stick figure graphic that's related to your topic, add a really punchy 4 to 6 word headline, put a bold red shape behind that text, and make the text white. This kind of high contrast, clean look is unbelievably clickable. And just like that, you have the idea, the script, the title, and the description all generated by AI, plus a clear formula for creating the visuals and thumbnail, all using free tools. This really gets to the core idea here, working smarter, not harder. This right here is the fundamental shift. The creators who are going to win on YouTube in the long run aren't just the ones working harder. They're the ones building smarter systems. They're moving from making one video at a time to batching content, from just guessing what works to using proven formulas, and from doing everything manually to leveraging AI-powered automation. You now have a complete system for creating content at scale, all based on what's already proven to work. So the only question left is, what system are you going to build first?